this funded and focused feature, we want you to act now. Value flows to the woman who moves. Stop waiting for perfect timing and start creating momentum. Set 3 income targets for the next 90 days. Update your LinkedIn profile to show the results you deliver. Message 1 person this week who can open a door, and launch a short, sellable offer you can deliver in 30 days. Do these 4 actions and repeat them every week. That's how recovery becomes resilience. That's how you become funded and focused. Show proof. Ask for a quick testimonial. Track 1 win. Double down on what worked. You're not rebuilding slowly. You're rebuilding smart. Money follows visible value. Make yours impossible to miss.